It is now official, One UI 5 Watch will be released in H2. But if you are like me and you cannot wait, well, we can test it before. And look, it is not just about that. It will also give us the opportunity to convey some valuable feedback to Samsung. One UI 5 Watch will be available for every single Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5, and will come pre-installed on your Galaxy Watch 6. Okay, first and foremost, you will need to create a Samsung account. That is very important. Once you have done this, please go and download the Samsung Members app from the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. If not already done, you will need to log into the application. Of course, I'm talking about the Samsung Members app. Now, the important part. In the home section or the notice section right here of your Samsung Members app, you will see a banner that will display the following: registration for One UI beta program. You will need to select it, basically just click on it in order to register for the One UI 5 Watch beta program. Step number 2, in order to download each release of the One UI 5 beta version, because there will be several versions, last time we had 6, you will need to go to your wearable app and check for firmware updates, basically as you would normally do. This will trigger the download of the firmware of the beta version. Alternatively, of course, you can go to your watch, to your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5, and do it from there. Officially, it will only be available in the United States and Korea. However, hang on. There are ways to change the region of your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. If you are interested in learning how to do this, leave me a comment. And if you feel good about it, why not subscribe? Thank you for watching. Peace out.